In this video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the new extender contender in town. So I got myself the best extender here. So I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing. So you're going to see how it comes in, what the packaging looks like. I'm going to do a quick initial thoughts on the product. I haven't even worn it yet. I haven't used it yet. And I'm going to compare it just visually, give my first thoughts on it with other extenders. So it's going to be a very short and sweet video. So let's get started. Okay, so just in case you've been living under a rock, the best extender is basically this extender that was released by this YouTuber named Baseem. So I ordered this this extender a few months ago, way back in July, early July. And because I ordered a pre-order, I paid $139. You can buy it for $179. So I'm not gonna do a deep dive into it. I'm assuming that you kind of know already about it. I'm just going to unbox it and just show it to you. I'm going to have a full video where I do a full review on it. So I want to keep this video short and sweet. Okay, so let's get right to it. So the packaging is quite big and bulky. So you can see here. So let's go ahead and measure it. So this package is essentially 18 inches in length by 6 inches in width here. So it's quite a big package. And then here it weighs about like, I don't know, like about 2 pounds or so. It's very light. So this is what it comes in. Here I just blacked out all my private information. All it is, it has like my name, my address, has like a, a barcode here, 2 barcodes here, some numbers here. And then here, this is where it comes from. So it looks like this is like, I'm assuming some sort of warehouse in China. So that's all it says, and it has a piggy. So, if you look at it, this is like the back. There's really nothing that says like, PE or anything like that. So I think it's quite discreet. So let's go ahead and start opening it up. Okay, so I'm just going to open it up here with the scissors. Okay, so as you can see, it comes with some bubble wrap here. Okay, keep using the scissors here. Okay, so here I cut through the bubble wrap. So let's take it out of this outer bag here. Okay, so this is the outer bag that I came in, and this is what's inside that bag. So you can see it's wrapped in bubble wrap. Here I cut through it with my scissors here already. So let's go ahead and take the bubble wrap off. Okay, just take the bubble wrap off. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Okay, so this is the box that it comes in. Like literally no markings, no logos, not even on the sides. Literally nothing, no barcodes, nothing. Just completely blank. So that's interesting. Go ahead and open it up here. Okay, let's go ahead and open it up here. Okay, so that's what it comes in. Okay, so it looks like it just opens up here like this. And there we go. Okay, so there's like a QR code that you can scan. I'm not quite sure what that goes to. Probably like instructions and stuff. Okay, so it comes with this belt. I've seen this belt, like it's kind of like a bath mate, like you can use it to wear around. Interesting concept. I don't really plan on doing that. Like the way that I extend, I don't really need that, but interesting addition. So you have this little adapter. So this is for like the different types of cups. So like if you use like the Pennymaster Pro cup, for example, you can use this. I use the Torment cups, the LG hanger. So I'm not gonna need that personally. Let's go ahead and pull it out. Okay. So I ordered the bigger one. So let's see here. Yeah. So I ordered the one that's in length is 13.5 inches. So let's make sure that's what I got here. So, but before I do that, this is basically what's in the box. It's really nothing else here. Just this little mold thing here to protect it. In a box, there's nothing else in the box. Get rid of that. Okay, so here's the actual extender. So this is the bigger version. So I ordered the 13.5 inches. So it seems to be, yeah. So I seem to have gotten the right model. Okay, let's get some initial thoughts. Okay, so so you can see it does twist quite a bit. I don't like that. If you saw my Hog extender review and my Apex review, yeah, I don't like the fact that it twists so much. Basically that's a problem if you're using like the strap trick. I guess because it does, I don't know. I'll compare it with the other extenders just quickly in a second here. Okay, let's see. So this hooks here, I guess, are for the strap. Has a built-in scale, so these knobs turn. So that's interesting because they turn And so these are the ones that you turn, and they have the built-in scale here. The lines don't seem to be carved in. Looks like they're ink, so they potentially are gonna wear off over time. So I don't know if you can see here. So one side is pounds, the other one is kilograms, and they don't have like the same spacing, which I already don't like. Just like if when I got my hog extender, one thing that I really liked is that the lines were basically the same, and so I could tell if it was like crooked, right? Just by looking, like aligning it with the lines. So I'm just giving you my off the top of my head thoughts as I do this. Let's see, the base. The base is a little. Someone mentioned this that it's a little harder than I thought. This is true. It's definitely not as soft as the hog extender. Oh, notice here I like this. Okay, like the knobs here are not exposed here. On either side, this is great. I like this. Sometimes like these knobs here would jam into like my pelvis or my skin and shit, and like it would like leave marks. It was kind of quite annoying. So I like this that this is covered. I like that a lot actually. That's a point. Seems to stay in place. Let's see, like as I use it, how it holds up. Okay, yeah. So again, it has this hooks. This is what the back looks like. The hook seems to be quite deep, as opposed to like the hog extender, which was shallow. I like that. Let's see what the bundle. Okay, so the bundle knob is much better than the hog extender. The hog extender doesn't have this spring. So notice how like this has like a spring thing that pops it back into place. This is way better than the hog extender already. I can tell that. I feel like if the hog extender had this spring here, it'll be much better. Seems to have like the same like turning mechanism as the hog extender. Yeah, seems like that's it. So another thing that I don't like, just off to the top of my head, is if the scale is with the knobs, right? The problem with that is that what if I'm turning it and then like it ends up here, right? So where I can't even see it, right? That's kind of annoying. Now I can see why the hog extender had this separate. So that's kind of like my first thoughts there. The quality seems decent enough, minus the whole, like you can see it. Okay, so with that being said, those are my off the top of my head. Oh yeah, look, this doesn't separate. Oh, that's good. I like that. It doesn't separate. You know, when I do the full review, I'm going to see how well it catches or doesn't catch. Seems to be quite smooth. Like, I don't know if you can hear it, but it does, like, you can hear like it's scraping. I'll put it against the mic, see. So they're like, you can hear, right? Like it's kind of something scrapes there while you're pushing it in. I'm not sure quite. I'm not quite sure what that is. See if there's anything else. It says best extender here. A little bit of branding. Okay, it's interesting, you know, but those are off the top of my head comments. So with that being said, let me bring out some other extenders so I can give you like a brief comparison with them. Okay, look at this, you guys. So here I have basically all the modern extenders here that I have. So starting from oldest to newest, the Totalman 2.0, the Franken extender, which I actually paid for, the Totalman 4.0, which was kindly sent to me by Totalman, the Apex, which was kindly sent to me by Massive Novelties, the Hog 2.0, which I bought recently and reviewed. Make sure you check out that video. And then the new contender here, the best extender. I kind of hate that name. You know, it's so annoying because like, I don't know if it's some sort of marketing gimmick. To me, it's annoying as a reviewer. Who knows? Let's see if that tactic plays out. Okay, so just a quick thoughts on comparing it with the rest. So this is the best extender. You know, back to like the, you know, like how easy it kind of like shift here. I don't like that. I mean, compare that with the Apex, right? The Apex has like no give whatsoever. I like that. Even with the Hog extender, right? The Hog extender has no give, has like very little give here. It actually reminds me of the old school Totalman 2.0, right? Look how much give the Totalman used to have, because it doesn't have the stabilizing you know, bar over here. So in any case, I'm not gonna do the battle royale. Like, if you want to see that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a comment, make sure you support me. So I want to just compare it with the Apex and the Hog extender for now. So here, so you can you know, you guys saw, if you saw my Hog extender my hog extender 2.0 review, you'll know that's actually my my favorite one as of now. So notice some things that I like here. It's like I wish that these, okay, so I turned on the light a little bit here just so you can see better. But yeah, I wish that you know, one thing that I do like here about the hog extender is that it separates here. So like even if you're turning and you end up, you know, you can move this. I would rather it stays here like at the top all the time, and so you can see it. I also like that the lines are aligned so that you can better tell that this is a line. But again, that's because I'm in America and so I'm used to pounds. Obviously this is a European product as well, so that's why they have the kilograms. The base seems better on the hog extender. This is quite tough. I'm going to try it out and see what it feels like. The bundle is much better on the hog extender. I mean on the best extender. I hate that name. Already I can tell. And then we'll see how the hog how the Apex does when the Apex 2.0 comes out. So this is here I'm reviewing it. I'm comparing it with the Apex 1.0. You know, you can see the base. You can see the base here, kind of like the same size, sort of the same size, right? You know, one thing I didn't mention in the hog extender comparison is that if you want to wear it down, like the Apex has this like groove here, so that your penis can go basically here. That's nice. I don't wear it like that, but just in case that you do. So anyways, I don't want to like make this video too long, so because I want to leave all the good parts where I really compare them. So let me just give out my last thoughts here on the best extender here. Okay, so just real quick, I want to show you guys, like, if you're interested in buying it. So here it is with the Total Man cups. Works, seems like that's gonna work perfectly fine. With the LG hanger, seems like that's going to work fine, unless you have a crazy, like, the LG hanger is quite bulky, so it works fine for my you know, chamber size. I think if it's any wider, which I don't think, like, I think there's plenty of room here in the acrylic to make it wider. I don't think you're gonna have any problems. Now, if you're using like the male hanger, like if you're into compression hanging, I think that's where you're gonna run into problems. You can sort of see that it doesn't quite fit there. Like this you know, this bolts here kind of get in the way. So yeah, you can see that the best extender is a little bit more narrow, slimmer than its competitors, and yeah, so there you go. Anyways, that's basically an unboxing and my first thoughts and comparison on the best extender. Okay, so just one more thought that I had that I wanted to record. So if you can see here about the scale, so basically one side has pounds on both sides, the other side has kilograms on both sides. You know, I think like the way to solve at least the problem, two problems here is, one is it's attached to the knob, and therefore like you could end up in a weird position like this, right, where you can't really like tell. And then the other problem is the whole like alignment issue, right? Like having the same scale, the same lines really helps with the alignment here to avoid any catching and any sort of uneven tension there. So the way that you would solve it is you put, right, first of all, you separate this such that like you can at least, like, even if it moves, I actually prefer that better in the hog extender. Even if it moves here, this is fine in my opinion. And then you put both, so you put pounds on one side and then you put kilograms on the other side, and then pounds and kilograms on the other side. I would be amazing if like I could like turn it but it stays in place, right? Like turn it and stays in place here. So that way when it looks up, I can have either both sides pounds or both sides kilograms, right? And it's not going to stay in an awkward place. So that's kind of like, just wanted to have like a, I don't know, just kind of like that came into mind how you would fix that. So maybe I'll turn into a product designer, you know, because I feel like there's a lot of things I could improve in a lot of these extenders. So in any case, yeah, just wanted to put a couple more thoughts here on the video. And there you go. Another like super quick video. It actually went a little bit longer than I thought. I think this product has a lot of you know, different quirks. You know, at this point I'm getting a little bit spoiled. I think we're like reaching the golden age of extenders. Imagine back in the day when you had to wear those fucking weak ass like Quick Extender Pro, and like now we have like the best top technology, and they're getting cheaper and cheaper. Like back in the day, you had to pay like crazy amounts of money. So I think like what I want to do next is I want to do a review of the best extender as I wear. I'm gonna wear it for like, I usually wear like 40 hours before I do a review, and then I'm going to just focus on the best extender, and then I'm going to do like a battle royale between like all of the extenders. So I'm also unsure if I should wait for the Apex 2.0, wait for the scale. I don't know, because I might make it like a better competition. So we'll see. Tell me what you think. Tell me what your thoughts are. Leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. And if you want more videos like this, check out these other videos like this one where I did the Hug Extender 2.0 product review, and check out those playlists of videos that may be relevant to you. And I'll see you next time. Peace.